Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter 15, Animal Homes. So let's start. Animals are found everywhere. They live on land and in water. Different animals live in different types of shelters. Shelter means home. Birds nest. Birds fly in air. They are called aerial animals. So, what are aerial animals? Aerial animals are those who can fly, like birds, bats, etc. Birds live almost everywhere. Some birds live in the forest, while some birds, such as crows, sparrows, and pigeons, live in cities and villages. Some birds make nests on trees, while others make them in houses or buildings. You may have seen birds making nests in homes or buildings or on trees. Some birds live in forests. You may also have seen sparrows and pigeons flying in the sky. Birds do not live in nests. They make nests only to lay eggs. The eggs remain safe and warm in the nest. The baby birds live in the nest till they are big enough to fly. Once the young ones leave, the birds also leave their nest. They make a new nest when they have to lay the eggs again. Students, as you know, nests are the homes of animals. But do you know that birds do not live in nests? So, what is the purpose of making nests? Students, birds make nests only to lay eggs so that their young ones, their babies, remain safe. Once their young ones started flying, they leave their nests. Birds choose their nesting place with great care. They make nests in places that are safe from enemies and bad weather. Mynas, pigeons, and sparrows make nests on windowsills, ledges, and in the hollows of roofs. Now, students, birds make nests in the place where their enemies can't reach. While choosing the place for making nests, they make sure that the place should be away from the reach of their enemies. Mynas, pigeons, and sparrows make nests on the windowsills. Windowsills means the bottom part of the window, or you can say shelf. Ledges also mean the shelf. So these are the places where birds make their nest. Our next topic is nest of different birds. Birds use dry grass, leaves, twigs, cotton, thread, wool, feathers, and straw to make nest. So students, these are the materials by which the birds make their nest. You can mark this line as you can get 1 mark question here. Different birds make different types of nests. So now we will discuss about the nest of different birds. First is crow. A crow makes a nest using dry sticks. So you can see here in this picture, crows make their nest using the dry sticks. Next is eagle. An eagle makes its nest on the topmost branch of a tall tree. Here you can see the nest of an eagle. Eagle अपना nest trees की topmost branch पे बनाते हैं, सबसे ऊपर वाली branch पे बनाते हैं. Next is woodpecker. A woodpecker makes its nest in trees. It uses its chisel-shaped beak to make a hole in the tree trunk. As you can see here, the woodpecker, with the help of its beak, makes a hole in the tree trunk and finally makes the nest. Next is the weaver bird. A weaver bird makes a beautiful nest with twigs and grass. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its nest through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. As you can see here in this picture, the weaver bird makes a beautiful nest using grass and twigs. Twigs are the dry sticks. Next is tailor bird. A tailor bird sews together the edges of a large leaf with plant fiber or silk from spiders' webs to make a cradle. It makes a grass nest inside this cradle. So students, here you can see the nest of a tailor bird. A tailor bird stitches the edges, this part, the edges of the leaf with a plant fiber or silk from spiders' webs and makes a beautiful cradle. This is the cradle. This structure is known as cradle. After making this cradle, the tailor bird fills the grass in the cradle and makes a beautiful nest. Some birds lay their eggs on the ground while others lay eggs in bushes. कुछ birds होते हैं जो अपने eggs को lay करते हैं ground में, जबकि कुछ birds अपने eggs lay करते हैं bushes में, बड़ी बड़ी झाड़ियों में. A swan lays eggs on a heap of plant material. Heap means ढेरी. जो swan होते हैं वो अपने eggs lay करते हैं plant materials की बड़ी बड़ी ढेरियों में. So they lay eggs on the heap of plant materials. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you understand the topic. Thanks.